So in the last episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, I was actually here at this very location, and I really think I got some killer shots, and I asked you to vote for them and you did, and we'll go over those in just a minute. But I tell you, I just love this beach. That's why I came back out here. It's a beautiful spot. I don't know, I just can't say enough nice things about this island. I really enjoy it. But there's one more thing. By the way, we're here shooting another episode to Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, but we're not gonna do it here. I'm gonna take you over to the Intercoastal. It's a place that I saw when I had the drone up the last time. I think we can get some good shots from there. But before we go over there and do that, I would like to show you something. So you gotta check this out, so come on. So what's behind me here is the Navy SEAL Museum, which is a huge respect to everybody that has served in the armed forces. Thank you for keeping me and my family safe. And they have a museum here, and there's just a lot of cool stuff I can kind of show you. I would take you inside, but they don't allow cameras in there. It is a museum, like most museums don't let you. But I just wanted to show you the Navy SEAL Museum because it's really cool, and if you're in this area, I highly recommend that you check it out. So we're gonna head over, get ready to fly the drone, and while we're doing that, let's take a look and see which shot won last episode. I, Lacona, Pinier, and KSA liked shot 1, the droney. Thanks so much for making a comment and voting. Reviewing, Playing, and More RPM said, shot 2 was great, really loved the movement. Thanks so much, thanks for making a comment, and thanks for voting. Ann B said, shot 3 was the best because it shows everything. The waves, the coastline, the sky. And well, Ann B, you weren't the only one that thought so because shot 3 won this episode. Thanks so much for everyone that made a comment and everyone that voted. And I'm gonna link these 3 channels, so check them out. So here's how it works. I'm gonna film the best drone shots that I've ever filmed. I'm gonna get 3 of them, and I'm gonna have you vote for your favorite one. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Whoa. So we're back at the beach. Man, I had a great time flying the drone. I hope I got some shots that you thought were spectacular. I was really going for it. Chasing boats around. I love doing that. I love doing that. Hey, vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Share it. If you don't already hit the bell notification, go ahead and hit that now so you can be reminded of when I have future videos. Hey, I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.